Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's exclusive is going to be coming from the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's. I'm so excited, y'all. First of all, this palette was inspired by Nefertiti, an Egyptian queen. And fun fact, my name means Egyptian princess, so I feel like this palette was almost made for me, you know? Call me Nefertiti. But anyway, first thing I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to go in with my primer and just prime my lids to get ready for this look. I actually got a special request to film from this palette, which is so beautiful, by the way. It comes with 4 matte colors and 8 metallic colors. So the first color we're going to go in with is Morocco, and I'm going to put this all on my crease. And because this is the only color that I'm putting in my crease, I'm really going to build up that color, y'all, because this Morocco is gorgeous. Like, I need it to be prominent. And now I'm going to take my concealer and put it on my lid using this method of looking up and creating the line for the crease. This tutorial is very beginner friendly, y'all, and I'm just trying to give you as many tips as I possibly can to help create the best look that you can make. I definitely recommend this trick because looking up while you have concealer on your eyes actually creates a guideline for you to be able to create the cut crease. If you see, it creates those dots, and so I just follow it with my brush and it creates the form I needed to make. So just a little cleanup action. I'm going to go back in with that Morocco color to really bring it back in. Don't want it to disappear, you know. And now we're going in with the highlight of the palette, Nefertiti. This is going to go on the inner and outer corner of our lid. So besides how beautiful these colors are, y'all, my favorite thing about this look is how simple it is to recreate. I only used 3 different colors in this entire look, and you know, yeah, they're bomb, but you know, we want to look fierce at the same time, so we got to really build those colors up and just give it to them, girl. So now I'm going back on my concealer. I'm just going to draw a line in the middle of each lid. Doing this allows us to create a highlight on the lid where the color is a little bit lighter on the inside and it just brightens up the look. So I take my brush and I'm just going to blend it out a little into the Nefertiti. That way it doesn't look crazy and it's not too bold, too sharp, you know. Yeah. Now the color we're using to highlight is called Nairobi. It's at the bottom left corner of the palette. Y'all, this is like the most beautiful gold ever. Like, I don't understand. They did so good with this palette. They did that, okay? So I'm just going to pat this color over top of the concealer and blend it into the rest of the eye to make sure our look is nice and uniform. So now I'm going back in with Morocco just to really, like I said, bring out that orange color in the back, y'all. This one, oh my goodness, it just sets the whole tone. It makes it, I don't even know, like just so fierce. And this part is actually optional because it really honestly would look good even without the liner, but I'm going to take this liquid liner and just go and line my eyes. I haven't done liner in a while and I just felt like it was necessary today. So if you want to follow along, go ahead. Otherwise, you can skip over this step. Y'all, it's been so long since I done liner. I don't even know how to act. Like, oh my goodness. When I say cut, it is cut. I mean cut, okay? Now, of course, we're taking this mascara and going to go over our eyelashes. And for this look, guys, I am going to go in and do some falsies today. I'm so excited. I finally found my lash glue. And now the thing that brings it all together, y'all, I finally got some lashes to put on in this video. I'm going to line them up with some glue and stick them on. Lashes do wonders, y'all. It changes the whole entire look. Like, you don't need them, of course, but like, look at this. I was feeling myself on another level. Like, y'all just don't understand. I know it's not me. Stop hating
rude. You need to turn around and check yourself. Walk away. I ain't dealing with that drama acting. Not today. You got everybody thinking you're the best. And I'm the only one who knows this too purse. Why you acting like you sitting at the top of us? Girl, just stop. Everyone used to say, ooh, she's fine.
But Nyla's in town now. I just cut your line. She be hating. God, let them know. Okay, but for real, y'all, I'm digging this natural look. I don't want to do too much, so you know me. I'm about to go in with some primer and go in with my powder foundation and just fill in my face to make it, you know, a little more even tone. But I'm not going to do the whole shebang today. We're going to follow up with this Fenty Beauty highlighter. We're going to go with the one on the right side, the more sparkly one. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. We'll put that on and just get us some cute little sparkle up in there. And surprise, surprise, y'all, I'm going to go in with a dark lippy today. This is the Urban Decay lipstick that my mom gave me. I've been getting a lot from her recently, but y'all know, like, this is nice right here. Wait till I put it on. So first I just put on a little chapstick and dab it in because I don't want it to be too slippery, but I also don't want my lips to be chapped. I cannot do crusty. Ooh, y'all, this is beautiful. Okay, I'm feeling this purple. Well, that was short and sweet, pretty easy to follow. I'm giving you the Nylah version of Nefertiti. I hope y'all enjoyed. Be back next week with new exclusives coming soon. Bye-bye.